We are lost here.
You feel like a tourist there.
Wow.
Yeah, you have to enjoy the best you can now.
Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. So today we are in Brugge, which is really exciting. For any of you that watched my ups and downs video that I posted a while ago, we're having an update today. And it's days like this that really do make it worth it, because you get to see some amazing things. So yeah, let's have a look around Brugge. Hey! Wow, they're so lovely. Angelica, how does it feel to be off the ship?
Amazing!
That building looks like out of a Disney film. Stunning. Okay, let's go down here. So beautiful. Oh my god.
Look inside.
It's just incredible. I wish you could smell this, guys. It smells absolutely divine. Yes. Is it okay?
How many followers do you have?
15,000?
Yeah, that's not much.
It's not much, only a little bit. It's okay, yeah.
It's okay, make sure. It was not the best compliment.
Oh, it's fine. Oh wow, it's fresh as well. It's still like gooey in the middle. Oh my god.
It's really good.
That's really good.
Are you a YouTuber?
I'm a YouTuber, yeah.
How many followers do you have?
15,000.
Only 15,000! 15,000! You should stop doing that.
It's not that many. I should quit. Can you believe that guy? Maybe I should have said more, and then you would have got a free waffle. A free waffle.
Or free beer.
A free beer. Yeah, that's more important. Let's go in the hat shop.
I love it.
You love hats. Oh wow. Oui, oui.
Oui, oui. Oui, oui.
No, wait.
Oui, oui. Oh wow, look at this.
Oh no.
Does that go at the front or the...
I'm sexy and I love it.
Like Peaky Blinders, they would have worn a hat like that.
Yes.
So nice.
Oh, I like
that. Really nice.
The Peaky Blinders, they're gonna wear something like this.
Oh wow. What's on the top? Need a magnet for the magnet collection. I think I already have one actually from Bruges. Yeah.
Have you been here before?
Yeah.
When?
On P&O. Look at all the Belgian beer. Wow. That's beautiful. Look at the turret. I want to go. Angelica bought a beer from the off license, or I don't know.
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
€3.
€3, bargain. I wish you guys could smell the chocolate. Like, the chocolate smell is in the air. It's beautiful. Oh wow. Oh my god.
Looks like Pringles.
Chocolate Pringles. Jesus. That's insane. Look at the Easter display. Wow. That's incredible. This is when you know you're in Europe. Horse and carriage and bikes. Oh my god. It looks amazing.
This beer.
No beer. Oh my god. Very nice, yeah.
You can borrow one.
That waffle was so amazing. Such a lovely day. And we've now met up with Lisa, Johnny and Mark. It's funny, like, you think how big Bruges is, and I've seen so many people.
Lovely. The weather is so lovely.
Ocho. So on the way here we pay, what was it, 50
euros.
We paid €50 for a taxi because, I mean, I think we got tricked into it, but it's fine, it was alright. And now we are coming back to the ship on the train for $3.20. This could have been a very cheap day, but anyway, it's fine.
We are rich.
We are rich. We're rich in our souls. So we thought we were on the train back to the ship, but we're on the wrong one. We're on the wrong train. I mean, it's very pretty, but yeah, we're on the wrong one. We're going the wrong way. We're going inland. So we'll just get off at the next stop and get on another one. Okay, so now we're gonna get off this train and get another train back to Bruges. Oh my god, that's a big gap between the train. Yeah, so now we're gonna get a train that goes back to Bruges, and then we've got to get a train that goes to Blankenberg so we can get the ship. Oh dear, but this place is lovely. 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 See, sometimes getting the wrong train is a little
Need to go to the...
Okay, so the next train back to Bruges from where we are now is not for another 2 hours. So, I don't know what we're going to do. We're just going to find something to do here maybe.
So what's the time now? 18:48. This is the local time, yeah? Okay, perfect.
Ah, so it's... Right.
There's
So
an hour ahead, don't
We need to wait.
we're an hour ahead?
Yes.
you? We're not.
Oh, so
We're
it's
on
only
British
an
time.
hour, so it's only, okay.
We're on
So it's not
British
2 hours
No.
till the next train. 'cause-
Another
No,
half hour.
No, it's half an hour.
Oh, half an hour.
Hi, Business Crew. Welcome back to Business Crew. Here we're lost in Belgium. Yeah. Lucy is busy, so we're replacing her temporary. Very temporary, guys. Don't worry. We will not keep you. We're going back now. We found a way how to go back home. Woo!
this is a bit fancier, isn't it? Isn't it? Are you making fun of my English accent?
Yes.
Yes. You want a cup of tea?
A cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
And a tiny bit of milk.
Do you want some water? Okie dokie, so we are back in Bruges. And now we're going to try and get a train that will take us to Blankenberg so we can then get the tram to get to the ship. I feel good. I knew that I would. Blankenberg.
From Brussels? Because if I get from 6, the end of the train. But that's almost an hour. Go to 6.
So an hour. So the train to Blankenberg from Bruges is going to be another hour. That 50 quid taxi is looking pretty good right now. Oh my god. Okay. So there's a bus. What is it?
We're taking a bus.
Ah, there's a bus.
The train station, taking a bus. The tickets which are for the train are good for bus as well. So
Okay, perfect.
we'll go to the Blankenberg, whatever it's called, by bus now.
But we have to wait an hour.
That's good.
Always a positive. Where are the buses?
Yeah, to the left.
I cannot stand here for half an hour. Fuck, it's freezing. Why don't we ask some of those people over there if they're waiting to go to Blankenberg?
I don't know if Blankenberg is
Blankenberg. Yeah, he has a clipboard. He'll know what to do. So, no bus? Or? Is there a bus? No bus. So there's no bus. So now we're going to get the train back, but the train isn't for an hour. So, oh, what a palaver. So now we've just looked at the panel. I can't believe this. We've just looked at the panel and there is a bus directly to Zeebrugge or Zeebrugge. So the ship is actually in Zeebrugge, but the train only goes to Blankenberg. So we asked if there was a bus to Blankenberg, and there isn't. But there is a bus. There is a bus to Zeebrugge. So now we're going to go back to the man with the clipboard to ask if there is a bus in Zeebrugge, and then we're probably going to come back and have to get the train anyway. But it's worth asking.
a bus?
Okay, there is a bus to Zeebrugge.
About 20.
But where does it drop us?
10 minutes.
Where does the bus drop us in Zeebrugge? Is it anywhere near the terminal, the cruise ship terminal?
Je stopt. Was kunnen tram pakken.
It's okay, if the tram works.
Yeah, but we don't know how far we have to walk.
I think it's a little bit farther from the cruise terminal, but you can take the tram.
The tram.
Ah, okay, okay, thank you. Okay, so we are going to get a bus, but not to Blankenberg. We're going to get a bus to Zeebrugge, which is even better.
Let's see how far away from
I just cannot believe how smoothly this journey back to the ship is going. Bloody tourists. Is this the bus?
Yeah.
This is the bus! Yes! Thank the Lord.
I forgot already what she said.
Alright, lass. Alright, lass.
Hello, Bob.
So Johnny is teaching Julia how to speak Yorkshire. And I'll see you later.
Alright, lads.
I'll see you later. See you later.
See you later.
Civic.
Civic?
See you later.
See you later. Like, see you later.
Yeah, see you later.
See you later. Exfoliator.
let's get on the car.
Forward or in the back?
Wherever.
Whenever.
I hope it goes to the right bloody place. So do we have to wait for a bus?
I'm waiting again.
Okay, so we wait for the bus. We love waiting for buses. We're home. Oh, it's cold. Oh yeah, it's the shops on Tex-Mex. Oh. It's very hot. We made it back on the ship. Thank God. So me and Yulia and the rest of the guys have got changed now. And we're going to go for some dinner in the mess, free of charge. And I think I'm just going to watch a movie and have an early night. It is, I think it's 8 o'clock or 8:30 now. So yeah, gonna have some food before the mess shuts and then have a shower and go to bed because tomorrow is a sea day. So I am back from the mess, showered, in bed, and I am ready to watch a film and go to sleep, ready for a big day tomorrow. I don't know what film I'm going to watch. Loaded. But today has been so wonderful. Bruges was absolutely amazing. So beautiful. But anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed this vlog of Bruges. If you have, let me know in the comments and make sure you leave a like. I am going to go to bed now and I hope that you have a fantastic day, whatever you are doing. And as always, I will see you in the next video guys.